In this video, I'm going to explain about for loops in Python. Hello everyone, my name is Damario Sujono. I'm a full-time data analyst and content creator, and welcome to my tutorial about Python for beginners. And in this video, I'm going to explain about for loops in Python. So in Python, a for loop is used to iterate over a sequence such as a list, tuple, string, or range, or any iterable objects, and it allows you to execute a block of code for each item in the sequence. The basic syntax of a loops is in Python as follows. All right, so I'm opening up now my Visual Basics, and let's say I want to print each number using for loops. Let's say I want to create a variable called numbers and equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a list. If you don't know about the list, I have created a video before, so make sure to check it out and see what is list in Python. Then right, so I created a list called numbers, and then let's say I want to print each number using a for loops. So the way I do that is like for a num in numbers colon print num. So here is a breakdown how a for loops works. First, of course, you need to type for with a lowercase. The for keyword is followed by a user-defined variable, in this case num, that will represent each item in the sequence during each iteration, which is in numbers here. And then in keyword is used to specify the sequence or iterables you want to loop through. And in this case, numbers, I want to loop through variable numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then after that, don't forget to put a colon at the end of the statement that indicates the start of the code block. Then enter. It will indented code indented in the next statement. The code under the for loop is the code that will execute it for each item in the sequence. And then bear in mind also that during each iteration of the loop, iterator variable takes on the value of the next item of the sequence. And then the loop is continuous until the items in the sequence have been processed. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is my example. But let's say if I run the program, all right, this is how it looks like. So I print 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? It's that easy, you know. So don't forget to put for and then variable in. Don't forget to put colon and then whatever statement you want to add after that. In this case, I just want a simple line with just print num. Okay, and then let's do another example. Okay, I put it example 1. Example 1. Let's say example 2. Okay, in this example 2, let's do something fun. Let's iterating over a list of numbers and calculating the sum. And then in this case, I use the same list numbers. And then I want to create also another variable called sum of numbers is equal to 0. Oh, let's do that to avoid confusion. Okay, and then all right, let's say we have a numbers list number and then sum of numbers equal to 0. Then I want to do a for loop that in the end of the program, it will sum all the numbers here. So the way I do that is for sum in numbers colon, then sum of numbers plus equal to num, a sum. Yeah, right. Then I run the program. I want to print sum of numbers equal to sum of numbers. Do you think it's gonna work? Let's see. Right, that's how it works. So The way it works is that, so we have the list here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have a variable sum of numbers that we put equal to 0. So the way it works is that we looping this one, so sum in numbers. So first, sum of numbers is equal to 0, then sum, that it will get the index value number 0, so 1. So in the end, sum of numbers will equal to 1. Then they loop again, 1 plus 2, because it's index 1. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Again, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and so on and so forth. So in the end, we have the sum of numbers 15. That's the second example. Then I want to give you more example. Let's say in this video, I want to give you like 100 example. How about that? No? Okay, that's too long. Okay, all right. I got it. All right, so then I want to give you another example. Example 3. Case I want to. Yeah. All right. So in this example, I want to iterating over a string and printing each characters. Sounds interesting, right? So let's see. So first, we need to define the variable with the value string inside. Let's say I want to have a Damario. I cannot type my name. Damario Sujono. And then let's say I want to print it for char in text. Print char, right? If I run the program, see, it will print each characters one by one. So the Mario, and then also space here included. So that is how you iterating over a string and printing each characters. The last example I want to give you is iterating over a range of numbers and checking for even or odd. Let's first I put all of them in comments. Okay, example 4. Okay, then let's say for I in range 11, if I is 0, print I is even. Else, print I is odd. Let's see if I run the program. Oh yeah, so the way it works is that for I is in range 1 until 11. It means that it will print from number 1 until number 10. So it's not included number 11. So 1 to 10, then colon, then if I like divide, okay, checks whether each number is even odd or using the module operator here. So it means that if I module 2 is equal to 0, it means there is no, if number 1 divided by 2 and there is no decimals, let's say, so to say, it's 0, it means that it's even number. Then it will print is even. Else, if we have it's not equal to 0, it means like odd. That's how modulo operators works in Python. So yeah, that's pretty much what I want to say in this video. Right, so if you like this video, make sure to click like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.